Hello my students, this is P. Venkateshwarlu, PGT Physics. In previous video, we have to discuss with the mechanical properties of fluids. In this video, we will start with the Reynolds number. Reynolds number. Reynolds number. Reynolds number, a dimensionless parameter whose value decides the nature of the fluid flow. Okay, my children, Reynolds number is a dimensionless parameter, unitless parameter, which decides the flow of fluid, whether it is turbulent or streamline. Okay, so once again, a dimensionless parameter whose value decides the nature of the fluid flow of a liquid through the pipe. Okay, so whether a fluid flow is steady or turbulent or streamline. Okay, so the formula which gives whether the value of Reynolds number which decides the fluid flow. Okay, so the formula Re is equal to rho Vd by eta. Okay, Reynolds number is given by Re is equal to rho Vd by eta. Okay, see here Reynolds number which decides the fluid flow. Understand? Here rho is what now? Density of fluid. Next, V is the velocity of the fluid, and D is the diameter of the pipe. Diameter of the pipe. And last one, eta. Eta is the viscosity of the fluid. Understand? So we know that Reynolds number is a dimensional unitless parameter which decides the fluid flow, whether it is turbulent or streamline or steady flow. See here, Reynolds number is starting from 0. Understand? So these are the parameters. If the Reynolds number 0 to 2000, what number 0 to 2000, we can say streamline flow. If the Reynolds number is greater than 3000, okay, turbulent flow. Which flow gives turbulent flow? Understand? If the Reynolds number lies between 2000 to 3000, okay, what happens? Okay, if the flow is from streamline to turbulent. Okay, my children, here what happens? If the Reynolds number is 0 to 2000, which gives the streamline flow. If the Reynolds number is greater than the 3000, we can say, my children, that nature of the fluid flow is turbulent. If the Reynolds number, the range is, my children, 2000 to 3000, we can say the fluid flow changes from streamline to turbulent. What, my children? Streamline to turbulent. Okay, so we know that Reynolds number, dimensionless quantity or dimensionless parameter, unitless parameter which decides the fluid flow, whether it is turbulent, steady or streamline flow. Okay, coming to Paisali's formula. Paisel formula. Okay, Paisel formula. The volume of a liquid flowing, the volume of a liquid flowing per unit time, per unit length, per unit cross section radius. Okay, which gives the Paisel equation. Okay, see here Paisel formula or Paisel equation which gives the volume of a fluid moves out or goes out from a pipe having unit length, unit radius, and the pressure difference between 2 points P, okay, is given by the formula V is equal to Q by T, which is equal to pi P r power 4 8 eta into L. Okay, understand? So Paisel equation which gives the rate of fluid flow, the volume of a fluid goes out per unit time. Okay, understand? The quantity of volume out from the diameter of the pipe per unit time, which gives the relation between length of the pipe, radius of the pipe, pressure difference between the two ends, which is given volume of the fluid flow out per unit time V is equal to pi P power P into R power 4 divided by 8 NL. Here P is the pressure, R is the radius of the pipe, and eta is the viscosity, and L is the length of the pipe. Understand, my children? So consider a pipe, liquid out from the pipe. Okay, here radius is R, length is L, pressure difference is P, P1, P2, P1 minus P2 is equal to P. Okay, understand? So this you can say what, my children? Paisel formula. Okay, the volume of a liquid flowing out per unit time of a pipe throughout the horizontal pipe having length L, pressure difference P, and radius R is given by the formula V is equal to Q by T is equal to pi P R power 4 by 8 NL, 8 eta into L. So this we can say Paisel formula. Okay, so this one we can say Paisel formula. Okay, my children. Okay, this is about Paisel formula. Coming to surface tension. Surface tension. Okay, so in daily life we can observe the surface tension. Okay, see here, consider a water drop. Okay, we know that water drop is spherical in nature. Understand? See here. So consider water drop, okay, which is spherical in nature. So this water drop always which gives the least surface area. Okay, water drop which makes always minimize its surface area. Medicine. So while the water drop minimizing the surface area, it having some additional potential energy. additional potential energy. Okay, additional potential energy. Okay, so understand my children. Okay, so here the surface of water drop which behaves stretched membrane. Okay, so we can observe that water drop. Okay, so still we didn't get enter into the definition of surface tension. So by the observation, after observation we need to enter into the surface tension. Okay, so you can observe that water drop. So here what happened, water drop always spherical in nature. So in this case what happened, water drop having some additional potential energy due to this which maintains which behaves like a stretched membrane. Okay, so it having some additional potential energy and always which is minimize the surface area. Okay, understand my children? Coming to definition of surface tension. Okay, surface tension which is defined as force acting per unit length. Okay, so force acting per unit length of imaginary lines which is perpendicular to the imaginary line. Okay, so consider a water. Okay, here this water always minimize the surface area. You can draw the line. Okay, so for that perpendicularly force is acting. Understand force per unit length, we can say surface tension. Okay, units and dimensions. Units of surface tension. Okay, Newton per meter. Understand? So this is SI system. And dyne per centimeter is the CGS system. Understand my children? Coming to dimension formula, m power 1 L power 1 t power minus 2 divided by L power 1. M power 1 L power 0 t power minus 2 is the dimension formula for surface tension. It is scalar quantity. Force acting per unit area is called what, my children? Surface tension. Okay, so here some liquids having some surface tension, due to this which is always minimize its surface area due to additional potential energy which behaves a stretched membrane. Okay, understand my children? Its dimension formula m power 1 L power 0 t power minus 2. Its units in SI system Newton per meter, CGS system dyne per centimeter. Okay, coming to factors affecting surface tension. Okay, first one, temperature. And impurities, addition of impurities. Okay, see here, surface tension which is depending upon some factors. First one, temperature. Okay, see here, temperature increases. Okay, temperature increases, surface tension decreases. Understand? So because what happens? So here water drop always minimize surface area. So this area is suitable for minimizing. This is the minimum area. Understand? When temperature increases, water drop like this. Okay, we can convert water drop like this. Understand? Okay. So every surface area water like this. By temperature increases, you can get this one. Means surface tension decreases. Surface tension decreases. Understand? Coming to addition of impurities, sodium chloride and soap, sodium chloride and soap. Okay, addition of impurities means sodium chloride and soap. Sodium chloride and soaps. Okay, so what happened? So whenever this sodium chloride and soap is adding to the water, what happens? The surface tension decreases. Surface tension decreases. Okay, it will not form liquid drops. Understand? Understand? Okay, so that stretched membrane will not work when we can add sodium chloride. So coming to applications. Coming to applications. So due to surface tension, a raindrop or mercury drop always spherical. Okay, first one, raindrop or mercury. Okay, first one, raindrop or mercury. So raindrop is always spherical in nature. Okay, surface tension is more. Okay, surface tension is more by children. Next, hair of saving brush, hair of saving brush or painting brush. Okay, hair of saving or painting. Hair of shaving or painting brush. Okay, whenever first painting brush like this, my children. This is painting brush. Okay, so here hairs. So whenever which is immersed, we can get these hairs are moves away from each other. Okay, understand? See, my children, like this. These are diverge. These are diverge from each other. Okay, diverge each other. Okay, so when it is removed from the saving or painting, so we can get like this. We can get while removing, we can get the painting brush like this. Okay, one to each other, close to each other. You can understand. So first initially like this, we are immersed that the painting brush, the hairs are away from each other. Okay, after that, so the hairs are converge each other. Okay, so due to this case, the paint drops will increasing in the hairs. Okay, it stores some extra painting material. Okay, like drops. Okay, so due to this, which having some that content while painting. Okay, this we can observe while painting. Okay, understand, my children? Okay, so next, greased needle. greased needle. Okay, greased needle will not sink, will not sink, will not sink, will not sink in the water or any fluid. Greased needle will not sink. So because of the surface tension of the fluid, okay, which not tends to sink. Okay, understand, my children? So we can attach grease to the needle. So because of water having surface tension, which will not able to sink that needle. Okay. Next, oil drop will spread on the water surface. And coming to soup medicine. Coming to soup, okay, whatever we are tasting that soup, okay. See here, we know that liquid having some surface tension nature, okay. So because of the surface tension, we can identify at which state of the soup which have taste, okay. Understand, hot soup is better taste than cold soup, okay. Understand. So here what happened, okay. So hot soup, okay, hot condition. So our tongue is there, our tongue, okay. So the drop of that soup is increase the area. So well, cold condition. So this is tongue. So we can observe like this, okay. The amount of surface is attached with the tongue is very less area, okay. Understand. So when hot soup is there, surface tension decreases, the hot soup drop is spread over the tongue. Due to this, our tongue having some taste, okay, gets some taste. Understand, my children? So these are the based on the surface tension. Okay. And on the basis of detergent and surface tension. Okay. So while we can using this detergent, okay. So water itself will not remove the dirt from the cloths. Okay. So while adding with water is adding with the detergent molecule, so which attach it to the dirt and the dirt can remove. Okay. So due to surface tension. So we are using surf, we can decreasing the surface tension by using detergent. Okay, dirt can remove while washing. Okay, my children.